Okay, this is Michael Yond with Compose Systems, and I'm going to walk through setting up the Express RIP in LabelPrint with a ICC color profile. So the first thing we have to do is make sure, of course, that the workflow is not running. So you should see this start, and it should look like that. We shouldn't have any, we need to have it not running. Then we're going to just double click on the Express RIP right here. We just double click. You'll get this RIP is running message. You'll get a few dialog boxes. Just say OK to them, make them go away. Alright, so under the color menu we're going to select install an ICC profile. Of course you need to have one to install, so just ask us and we'll send you one. Here we can see I have one on my desktop called Oki 9600 Glossy. I'm going to go ahead and select that, and I'm going to select that it is a device profile. I'm going to be using it for the Oki. It is linear, and I'm going to select install. Now, the next thing we're going to do is go under Color Setup Manager, and we're going to, again, selecting the Oki, we're going to make a new Color Pro setup, and this would be your default settings like this. So first thing we'll change is CMYK data to swap. We're going to then, of course, select this new profile that we have here. If we're going from top to bottom, we want to treat spot colors as CMYK. We want that to be converted before it gets to the RIP. These settings are all fine as we see here. The angles are fine. Again, starting up here on top, the next thing we're going to do is select ICC auto switching, and we're going to select use black point compensation. These are fine at 300 and 100% for black max, and D50 and faster for colors adjustment. I'll go ahead and save this. We'll just call it Oki 9600 Glossy. And I don't know why we aren't getting, there we go, 9600. I guess I can't add any numbers for some reason. Anyway, I'll hit save, so I'll get Oki Glossy, and I'll say OK. Now the last thing we'll have to do is, of course, when we go into our page setup, if we pick one of these, and we'll go ahead and I'm going to just duplicate or copy this one, and I'll rename it that this is going to be color managed, right? Color managed. Sorry about that. Having typing difficulties because of TeamViewer, I guess, so I'll just call it that. And so this will be my one, and I'm going to go ahead and edit that, and under configure, everything's fine there. You'll see here now color management, no color management. We're going to go ahead and pick that color management in that page setup. And that's all we need to do to have a page setup that is color managed. Okay? I just say OK, and that's that. Hope that helps.